So on the 8th of July I was at Carluke, so I went to see some of the trains there. However, my first catch today was 1M44, the 1626 DB cargo service to Warrington Royal Mail DBS from Shieldmere Mail Terminal with 325002, 325004 and 325005. Then this is 1M16, the delayed 1559 turned up at 1631, the Avanti West Coast service to London Euston from Glasgow Central with 390117. Then this is 1 Quebec 75, the early 1725 turn up at 1718, close rail freight service to Moss End Down Yard from Moss End Down Yard with 37219 and 37116. Then this is 2B92, the 1711 ScotRail service to Lanark from Glasgow Central with 32322 and 318250. Then this is 4M80, the 1715 Freightliner service to Crewe Bass Hall SSM from Coatbridge FLT with 90045 and 90016. And then my last catch will be 1 Quebec 75, the early 1725 turn up at 1718, close rail freight service to Moss End Down Yard from Moss End Down Yard with 37219 and 37116.